Hello students, this is Rakesh Bhatia. You are welcome in biology classes. In this lecture, we will discuss the characteristic features of phylum Aschelminthes. So, let us discuss. Aschelminthes or Nemathyhelminthes are minute nematodes were discovered only after the invention of microscope. Linnaeus 1758 included these in Vermes. Gaggenauer 1859 proposed name Nemathyhelminthes for these organisms. Characteristic features of Aschelminthes are: first is habitat. Many roundworms live as parasite in plants and animals. They cause serious agriculture, veterinary, and human health problems. Roundworms are also free living and occur in fresh water, seawater and soil. Body form की बात करें, they are called roundworm because they appear circular in cross section. They have unsegmented body. So here we can call that Aschelminthes or Nemathyhelminthes are also called as roundworms due to their rounded body structure. Next point we have body wall. It consists of firm, non-living, resistant cuticle. Syncytial epidermis. What is syncytial epidermis? A continuous layer of cytoplasm with scattered nuclei and muscle layer. Next we have body cavity. Body cavity is called as pseudocele or pseudocoelom as it develops from the blastocele of the embryo. Pseudocele is filled with pseudocoelomic fluid. Pseudocele is a cavity which is filled with a pseudocoelomic fluid. Digestive tract, alimentary canal is complete with muscular pharynx. Skeletal, respiratory and circulatory systems are absent in Aschelminthes. Pseudocoelomic fluid present in pseudocoelom maintains body shape and form hydroskeleton. ये जो है वो हाइड्रोस्केलेटन बनाएगा और बॉडी शेप को बना के रखेगा. Gaseous exchange in aerobic respiration occur by diffusion through the body surface. The pseudocoelomic fluid also helps in transport of materials. Next we have excretory system. The excretory system consists of gland cells or of canals or of both. या gland cells होंगे, canals होंगे या दोनों होंगे. In Ascaris, H-shaped excretory system of canals and complicated giant cells called rennet cell is present. तो Ascaris का जो excretory system होगा वो होगा कैसा? H-shaped होगा, जिसमें क्या होगा? Rennet cells and excretory system of canals होगा. Ammonia is main excretory matter. However, Ascaris also excrete urea. Nervous system की बात की जाए, it consists of circumpharyngeal ring that give rise to nerves forward as well as backward. Circumpharyngeal ring will be present. Sensory organs, papilla, which are the raised structures, occur on the lips, on the side of anterior end, in both male and female, and in front and behind the cloacal aperture. All papilla are tactile in function. Amphids or pits are present on the lips and are chemoreceptors. Chemical receiving pits present that are called as chemoreceptors. Phasmids are unicellular glands located upon lateral sides of the posterior end and are glandulosensory in nature. तो फेजमिड्स कैसे होंगे? ग्लैंडुलोसेंसरी इन नेचर होंगे. एम्फिड्स क्या होंगे? पिट्स होंगे जो लिप्स पे प्रेजेंट होंगे, जिनको हम बोलेंगे कीमोरेसेप्टर्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव sexes are separating, mean dioecious. Generally they show sexual dimorphism. Often females are longer than male. Fertilization is internal. There is no asexual reproduction. You can see in the diagram male and female ascaris. Male is smaller in size, whereas female is longer in size. Next we have development. Development may be direct or indirect. During indirect development, a larva is present. Filariform larva is present in encyclostoma, which is also called as hookworm. Microfilaria larva is found in Wuchereria, which is also known as filarial worm, and rhombidiform larva is present in Ascaris and Entrobius, which is called as pinworm. Now we will discuss the unique feature, that is syncytial epidermis is an unique feature. Muscle layer of body wall consists of longitudinal fiber. It is also an unique feature, and presence of pseudocele. Now we will discuss advancement over flatworms. Presence of pseudocele, which was absent in flatworms. Complete digestive tract, which is present in roundworms but was absent in flatworms. Unisexual condition, that is in roundworms but it was absent in flatworms. Now we have examples of organisms of Aschelminthes, that is Encyclostoma duodenale, that is also called as hookworm. Wuchereria, that is also called a filaria, or that is also called as filarial worm. Dracunculus, which is known as guinea worm. Trichuris, which is called as whipworm. Loa loa, that is eye worm. Ascaris lumbricoides, that is giant intestinal roundworm. Entrobius, that is also called as pinworm. So these are the examples of organisms. Now we will discuss about Ascaris lumbricoides, which is the giant intestinal roundworm. It is an endoparasite of the small intestine of human beings. It is more common in children. The adult worm lives for 1 to 2 years. There is no secondary host in the life cycle of this parasite. तो ये 1 से 2 साल के बच्चों के पेट में होता है, इंटेस्टाइन में होता है, और इसका कोई सेकेंडरी होस्ट नहीं है. The mouth of Ascaris is bounded by 3 lips, one dorsal and 2 ventrolateral. The dorsal lip has 2 double papilla, while each ventrolateral lip has 1 double papilla. One simple lateral papilla and a amphiid papilla are tactile, that is respond to touch. So the dorsal lip has 2 double papilla, while each ventral lip has 1 double papilla. Amphiid, which are the chemoreceptors, respond to chemicals. The animals show sexual dimorphism. The phasmids are pair of unicellular glands that open outside on the lateral side of the tail. phasmids जो हैं वो glands होंगे, वो कहाँ होंगे? lateral side of the tail में open करेंगे. These are glandulosensory in nature. Phasmids are glandulosensory in nature. Above mentioned point clearly indicate the sexual dimorphism in Ascaris. So Ascaris sexual dimorphism means male and female are different. Female is longer in size and male is shorter in size. It causes the disease Ascariasis. Since a large number of adult Ascaris worms normally infest a single host, they obstruct the intestinal passage and thereby cause abdominal discomforts like colic pains. The patient may suffer from impaired digestion, diarrhea, and vomiting during the infection. In children where the Ascaris infection is quite common, mental efficiency is affected, and body growth is retarded. The disease can be best treated by administering anti-helminthic drugs such as oil of chenopodium, Alcopar, Vendex, Dewormis, Mavex, Pental, Parade, Burmin, Gentle, etc. So, well students, this is all about phylum Aschelminthis, which is also known as Nemathyhelminthes. I think you might have learned some important points of this phylum. So, thank you and have a nice day.